Hello friends, I am Dr. Shalini Maksane, Assistant Professor in Department of Biochemistry, St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. In this session, we will learn about water-soluble vitamin B5, which is also known as pantothenic acid. Structure of pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is a component of acyl group carriers like coenzyme A and acyl carrier protein, which is required for fatty acid synthesis. They are both coenzyme A and acyl carrier protein. They are required for the metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and proteins. As coenzyme A take parts in catabolic and various other reactions of carbohydrate, lipid and protein metabolism, while acyl carrier protein is required for fatty acid synthesis. Pantothenic acid is synthesized by plants and microorganisms by using pantoic acid and beta-alanine. Here in this diagram you can see that pantoic acid and beta-alanine, they are attached by amide linkage to form pantothenic acid. As the name suggests, pentose means everywhere. Means pantothenic acid is widely distributed in nature. This slide shows the structure of coenzyme A, which contains pantothenic acid in its structure, but it is present in the form of pantethene. So here in this diagram you can see that pantothenic acid forms phosphopantethene by reacting with cysteine and by attaching with phosphate group. So here in that diagram you can see that purple part is pantothenic acid and it is attached with one phosphate group and it is attached with beta mercaptoethanolamine. This beta mercaptoethanolamine is formed from cysteine, from decarboxylation of cysteine, which is attached to pantothenic acid. So the black part shows cysteine, the beta mercaptoethanolamine formed by cysteine, and both beta mercaptoethanolamine and pantothenic acid, they form pantethene, and when phosphate group is attached to pantethene, it forms phosphopantethene. This pantethene moiety is the functional site of coenzyme A. The thiol group of pantethene carries acyl component by thioester bond. So the red part shows the acetyl group. It can be any other acyl group also. It get attached to thiol group by thioester bond. Acyl group means any moiety which is composed of carbon and hydrogen, while acetyl, malonyl, they are specific terms which are used for specific structure. So this is the structure of coenzyme A. Okay. Coenzyme A is also written as coenzyme ASH, which denotes thiol as an active site of coenzyme A. So when here acetyl group is attached to coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A. If there is any other group and other acyl group is attached, it will be called acyl coenzyme A. Now what are the functions of pantothenic acid? Pantothenic acid have two major metabolic roles. First as a part of coenzyme A and second as a prosthetic group of acyl carrier protein. So first we will discuss the role of vitamin B5 as a coenzyme A. So coenzyme A is involved in transfer of acetyl or any other acyl group during catabolic processes of carbohydrate, lipid and protein catabolism. In tricarboxylic acid cycle, succinyl coenzyme A and acetyl coenzyme A are used. Acetyl coenzyme A is used and succinyl coenzyme A is produced during TCA cycle. In fatty acid synthesis, acetyl coenzyme A is used as a building block, while in beta oxidation of acyl coenzyme A, while in beta oxidation, fatty acyl coenzyme A is broken into acetyl coenzyme A, which is used for energy production. It also takes part in acetylation reactions such as formation of acetylcholine. Acetyl coenzyme A is also used for cholesterol synthesis via formation of HMG coenzyme A. HMG coenzyme A is also a precursor of ketone bodies. So the various derivatives of coenzyme A, acetyl coenzyme A, succinyl coenzyme A, acyl coenzyme A, HMG coenzyme A, they take part in various metabolic pathways like TCA cycle, fatty acid synthesis, beta oxidation of fatty acids, acetylation reaction, cholesterol and ketone body synthesis. As I have already mentioned that coenzyme A take part in various group transfer reactions. Coenzyme A can accept and donate various functional groups. For example, coenzyme A accept acetyl group from pyruvate to form acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. It can also transfer those functional groups to other molecules. One example is the formation of acetylcholine, where acetyl coenzyme A react with choline to form acetylcholine in the presence of enzyme acetylcholine synthase. So one reaction shows the role of coenzyme A as functional group acceptor, and other reaction shows its role as a donor of functional group. This slide shows various important reactions where coenzyme A derivatives are involved. So first is acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A is formed by fatty acid, pyruvate and various amino acids, leucine and ketogenic amino acid. They are involved in the formation of acetyl coenzyme A. These molecule donate acetyl group to coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A. Now this acetyl coenzyme A is utilized for various metabolic pathways like TCA cycle, fatty acid synthesis, cholesterol synthesis, steroid synthesis, ketone body synthesis by HMG coenzyme A, formation of acetylcholine, and it have important role in various detoxification reaction. Another coenzyme A derivative succinyl coenzyme A, which is produced by alpha ketoglutarate in TCA cycle, and it is also produced by from odd chain fatty acid, various branch chain amino acids like threonine, valine, isoleucine and methionine. These molecules provide succinyl group to coenzyme A to form succinyl coenzyme A. This succinyl coenzyme A is used in various pathways like TCA cycle, glucose neogenesis, formation of porphyrins, activation of acetoacetate and detoxification reaction. Another major metabolic role of pantothenic acid is that it is a prosthetic group of acyl carrier protein, which is a part of fatty acid synthase multi-enzyme complex. This acyl carrier protein have 4-phosphopentethene, the form of pantothenic acid, which is present in acyl carrier protein. It also have thiol group. So on this thiol group of 4-phosphopentethene, malonyl group is attached, and it accepts acetyl groups during acetyl group and other acyl group during chain elongation of fatty acid. In each cycle of chain elongation, malonyl group is attached to 4-phosphopentethene of acyl carrier protein. So, for addition of 2 carbons in fatty acid chain during elongation, that malonyl group get attached to phosphopentethene of acyl carrier protein. So, in this first diagram, you can see the structure of fatty acid synthase complex, and in another diagram you can see that Malonyl group is attached to phosphopentethene of acyl carrier protein. Dietary sources and recommended dietary allowance of pantothenic acid. As I have already mentioned that pantothenic acid is widely distributed in plants and animals. In diet, vitamin B5 is present as coenzyme A or phosphopentethene, which are hydrolyzed to pantothenic acid in intestine before absorption. It is present in both animal and plant sources like liver, eggs, kidneys, yeast, legumes and whole grain cereals. The recommended dietary allowance is 10 mg per day. Deficiency causes and deficiency manifestations of pantothenic acid. As I have already mentioned that vitamin B5 is widely distributed in plants and animal sources. Its deficiency is rarely seen in human beings except in specific depletion studies where volunteers were fed antagonists of vitamin B5 or given semi-synthetic diets which was free of pantothenate, which generated symptoms like rapid heart rate on exertion, constipation, anorexia, numbness and tingling of hands and feet. Historically, vitamin B5 deficiency is seen during famine, which means drastic deficiency of food which can be due to any reason like war, inflation, prison, etc. During World War II, a syndrome called burning food syndrome was observed in prisoners, which was associated with deficiency of vitamin B5. The symptoms like paresthesia and staggered gait were observed in prisoners, and these symptoms were released only by pantothenic acid supplementation and not by any other vitamin. It can be also seen in chronic alcoholics because of decreased intake of food by chronic alcoholics or decreased absorption of vitamins seen in chronic alcoholics. Thank you very much for giving your time to watch this video.